How to use Dolly 3 on ChatGPT 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly talking about Dolly 3 and how you're going to be able to use this incredible software for yourself in ChatGPT. Now, if you're not aware, Dolly 3 is an image generation software that allows you to generate any images through a prompt, and Dolly 3 has solely been transferred to ChatGPT, so it can only be used through ChatGPT's Plus plan. So if you don't have the Plus plan, do make sure to get it right now. And once you've gotten the Plus plan for Doll E, or ChatGPT, what you can simply do is you can come down here where it says View Tools. You're going to choose Pictures, okay, where it uses DALL-E, and you can ask it to generate anything. Like, let's say I'm going to go ahead and write Johnny Depp. Let's go with fighting against pirates. Okay, you can write in something like that. And then you just wait for it to generate the image for you. And as you can see, you're simply going to wait for it to load in. And, just like this generation, I've created this over here as well, where it says generate image of dog flying in galaxy. And look at that. It created this prompt for me. And once that is done, you can go ahead and reprompt it. Like, let's go with let's go with something simpler like sunflower on the sun. Okay, you can go ahead and write that in. Let's go ahead and click on send. And obviously, once we do that, look at that. The prompt has been added in. It goes ahead and generates the image for you. And that is basically how easy and simple it is to use Dolly with Chat GPT. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.